Virtual data rooms are technology used to replace the traditional processes in transactional law such as mergers and acquisitions that used to take place in a physical location at a law firm. Parties would come together and collaborate around documents to make the transaction possible by performing due diligence and conducting Q&A sessions. In 2006, on average in M&A, a virtual data room cut around 30 days off the bidding process. As more documents are created and stored electronically in the modern world, we now anticipate this to be significantly less. I created my first virtual data room in 2008 for law firm Ashford's. Since then, I have created hundreds of projects across a variety of industries, including virtual data rooms and extranets for law firms. Existing virtual data rooms felt as dated as the physical data rooms themselves. Complex and sluggish interfaces with a lack of customization available meant alternative tools such as email were used for the Q&A, project management, and even sending documents, causing an unstructured mess of data silos and communication. Admins were spending a great deal of time supporting users, even with simple tasks such as setting up an account. These platforms were seeing days of downtime and errors where users were trying to perform simple tasks such as uploading a document. Ruby Datum comes into a traditional market with a fresh and innovative approach. We like to spend time developing great technology which people want to use without the need for extensive training or frequent calls to support. We built the platform with scalability in mind. It's completely customizable to company branding, and it can be resold through various tech vendors, to firms as their own platform, or as an extension of an existing product. Ruby Datum is proud to be successfully working with active paying customers under each commercial model. Around 90% of a business has come from referrals, or users that have been involved with the deal taking place on the platform and love the speed and experience. Through my own networking, we have gained the respect and engagement of clients such as Ashford's, renowned law firm Mishcon de Rea, and even Crowdcube themselves. We have interest from a variety of companies, from legal outsourcing groups to international law firms, with an intent to bring hundreds of deals to the platform by the end of this year. Our ability to adapt and evolve with changes in modern technology have meant we have converted customers that have been tied to their existing and established providers for years. When you see a virtual data room, it is essentially a document management tool with more control over security and a detailed insight into user activity. Something is becoming more important in a world where data breaches are no longer hidden, and data privacy is extremely important. We have already clients that have adapted use for a variety of departments due to its versatility. Beyond document storage, we have built a data management tool with the ability to link this data to categories, tasks, and individuals or groups of users. As an example, for GDPR, you could create a subject access request form that captures an individual's data, then link this form to a task and assign it to the compliance team. This can be exported and what's more related to documents. All forms and fields are completely customizable, and you can set up templates to roll this out for new projects with ease. Just imagine how this can be translated into a variety of industries when used in conjunction with our white label offerings. This allows people, documents, and data to dance harmoniously and flow. We plan on growing these capabilities by engaging with existing partners to create unique workflows and integrations with other platforms and their proprietary software or websites. We have also begun work on Ruby Datum for SMEs as a way for startups and smaller companies to start preparing their documents for a small fee in anticipation for a future finance raise, allowing them to just flip the switch and turn things into a full virtual data room instantly. We partnered recently with Cosmonauts as a shareholder, commercial growth company specializing in scaling B2B tech businesses. Their CEO Timo and I met at a networking event 5 years ago, and we've been friends and business partners ever since. Through this partnership and your investment, we hope to both accelerate the development schedule, reseller agreements and marketing campaigns to expose ourselves to lucrative markets globally, where we already have a positive response. Next year, we anticipate a further raise for the US and South American markets against a company that is valued much higher. If we've been able to disrupt the traditional VDR model and win respect in one of the hardest industries to transform, imagine what we can do for others. So to summarize, we are a fresh, innovative, highly integratable product with user experience at its core. We are a mature business with a polished product. We have impressive household names as customers, and we offer fantastic potential for investors joining our first ever investment round. On exit, the market has seen similar companies become acquired for around 75 million. Potential acquirers include Thomson Reuters, Bloomberg, Wolters Kluwer, and Dow Jones, among many others. I'm Nick Watson, and thank you very much for watching.